Welcome back to another episode of On Again with Andre Glenn. We are live at the Walapalooza Event, and I am here with
Javiah from Gifting Hands by Javiah.
Okay, how you doing?
I'm doing well, and yourself?
I'm doing well.
Good.
So, where can people find you? Gifted Hands. Where can they find you?
Anybody can follow me on my social media platforms at Gifting Hands by Javiah on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok.
Okay, all right. And who is this?
This is my wonderful husband, Paul.
How y'all doing?
What's going on, Paul?
Can't complain, man. Just here, having fun, enjoying the festivities, and just here with my baby.
Yeah.
And success and everything. So
Yeah. So wait a minute. Okay, so what do you do on your channel?
I specialize in dye sublimation.
Okay.
However, I am multi-talented, and I, do other projects, paper projects, dye sublimation, heat transfer projects like with t-shirts and garment printing and things like that. So a little bit of everything.
Okay.
My area of expertise is dye sublimation.
Okay, dye sublimation. So what printer do you work with?
I have a Sawgrass SG1000 dye sublimation printer, as well as an Epson F570 dye sublimation printer.
Okay, the F570 Epson. Did you have to convert that?
No, that is a true dye sublimation printer that Epson offers, and it's also the 24-inch large format one.
Oh, the large format. Okay, so you can get that from Heat Transfer Warehouse, right?
You can get that from Heat Transfer Warehouse.
Okay, all right. So y'all subscribe to her channel, check her out, and don't forget to click that affiliate link if you got anything out of her content after watching it. Now, all right. So anyway, with that being said, you weren't here at Walapalooza last year, were you?
I was not.
So what's your take on Walapalooza?
I absolutely love Walapalooza. The reason why is because, number one, I am a big believer in networking, because I feel like, the more you know, the more you'll grow. Right. And if you are the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. So sit me next to people that I can learn from, that I can grow, to just become the best Javiah, Gifting Hands by Javiah brand as possible. And so Walapalooza has given me that opportunity to actually learn from experts, from vendors, from influencers, from everybody that I support. And I am honored to be here. Last year I wasn't here, but this year I'm here. What's up? What's up?
Yeah. I mean, when it coming to a close, would you feel that it was worth the trip? You know what I mean?
Absolutely. Yes. 1,000,000% worth it.
Yeah.
yes, it was definitely worth it. Even though it took us through storms to get here, rescheduling flights and everything, but we made it. And I'm not into the dye sublimation or anything like that, but I learned a lot here. And by coming here, it makes me want to get involved in what everyone is doing. So I just was so hyped. I was going from station to station to see how everything works, and so I was just so excited. So
I bet you was real excited after that Jennifer Maker presentation.
Yes.
I bet you was like, yeah, I'm gonna support. Yeah, we gonna get there.
Yes.
We gonna make it. We gonna make it. Hey, did you hear that, baby? You heard what she said?
Got 8 million annually.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm going for that.
Yeah. Hey, you heard about the ebook? Why you ain't got no ebook? Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
We doing that tonight, bro. Yes.
Yeah.
You trying to get that 8 million annually?
Right.
Yes.
Okay. So, all right. I guess I don't know if you want to take this on a walk. But no, we'll just wrap it up then. Oh, unfortunately, we cutting this one short. So I'm gonna get your information, get your contact information, and we're gonna finish up. But right now, they can find you at
Gifting Hands by Javiah on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.
All right, y'all, and make sure y'all hit that like button and follow her, subscribe to her, support her, And don't forget to subscribe to me too.
Yes.
And I'll holler at y'all from Walapalooza. Peace.
Peace.
Shut it down.
That was
Yeah, that was good.